Hi everyone and welcome to our unboxing video for the Fluke 15177 insulation multimeter. Inside the package you'll find the insulation multimeter, a test lead set, a user manual and a soft carrying case. The user manual provides clear instructions on how to use the multimeter for insulation testing and other electrical measurements. The soft carrying case is perfect for protecting your Fluke 15177 insulation multimeter while you're on the go. Let's take a closer look at the Fluke 15177 insulation multimeter itself. As you can see, it's a compact and rugged device that's designed to withstand harsh industrial environments. The test lead set is easy to use and provides accurate measurements of insulation, resistance, voltage, and continuity. Overall, we are very impressed with the Fluke 15177 insulation multimeter and we highly recommended it for everyone in need of a reliable and accurate insulation tester. Thanks for watching.